Hi Gemini, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Alright Gemini, for today's reading theme, I'm going to check what your person wants to tell you. So this is basically the messages that your person wants to tell you if they could at this point of time. Please note that this is going to be a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Gemini out there. If it doesn't resonate, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as you can check the month of June general reading as well as a love reading, which I will link down below in the description box. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. The first card that I've got for you here, Gemini, is the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Four of Swords here. So you could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So the first message that I've got for you here, Gemini, is that I do feel like your person is definitely single. I don't think that your person is currently with someone else, or like they actually have someone else with them at this point of time. I do feel like either your person have recently walked away from a relationship, or just that basically they are single and they're just basically focusing up on building up their finances and just focusing up on building up their career, especially with this Nine of Pentacles energy. I do feel like at this point of time the communication between the two of you might not be so on point here, and this is due to that your person has finally decided to just step back a bit, to just like lay down all the worry, lay down all this. Basically, I do feel like your person kind of feeling a little bit overwhelmed and overburdened, but I don't think this is something to do with you. I do feel like this is just external factor that is actually going on within themselves, and I do feel like due to this external factor, they're kind of feeling overwhelmed and overburdened, and due to this, they basically finally have decided to just take rest, to just lay down all the worries and not even like trying to make any effort or any attempt to contact you again. This is nothing to do with you. This is just basically like they finally have decided to just go within themselves for their own mental health, for their own emotional health here, Gemini. With the Queen of Swords here, I'm also definitely getting that your person have been seeing you in a new light, in a sense that your person have been seeing you that you have grown so much, you have been maturing so much here, that finally like they're basically seeing you like you're basically sitting up on your throne, not taking up any bullshit, not taking up any crap. So I do feel like your person finally have come to this realization that in order to be with you, they need to come to that same level as you here, Gemini. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Four of Wands, which is an indication towards me that celebration and marriage. I do feel like your person definitely seeing you as someone they want to have a family with. I do feel like definitely they actually daydreaming, or even like they're dreaming about marrying you here, having a family, having your own kids together here, Gemini. But at this point of time, I'm also sensing that your person is currently in this Four of Cups energy. So I do feel like they've been overthinking a lot. I do feel like they're kind of like a little bit scared to come towards you. I do feel like this is due to that they feel like they're basically feeling like they cannot be matching up to you here, Gemini. So I do feel like they are like overworking themselves, or they like finally like trying to work and work and work, and basically like to be in a position where they can be financially stable, so they can provide towards you here, Gemini. The next card that I've got for you here is the Moon card. So I do feel like you could be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I've got the King of Pentacles coming up here. So I'm definitely sensing that your person current focus here is just to build up themselves financially, and I do feel like this is why they haven't come towards you, or you might not been having here like basically you might not haven't heard from them at this point of time, because they basically like trying to work themselves, trying to be in a position where they can be financially stable here. And I do feel like the reason why they want to be in this position where they're finally financially stable here, so they can come So they basically can come from the place that they can provide for you here, Gemini. With this moon card, I'm definitely sensing that your person could also be going through a loss of manipulation or kind of deception here, either within himself, within his family, or within his work, career, finances here, in a sense that there could be lots of some kind of a deceitful energy that they're currently like needing to pay a close attention to that as well. So this is also another reason why they haven't come towards you fully here. For those of you here, Gemini, I'm definitely sensing that some of you are coming up from the place that highly intuitive person here. So I do feel like this is time for you to actually listen more to your gut feeling, listen more to your intuition here, Gemini, definitely with this moon card here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Gemini, is the Knight of Pentacles, which is an indication towards me that your person is definitely coming towards you here. Your person is definitely coming towards you with a commitment. So I don't think like basically your person is going to come towards you with a mind game, or like with just like one night stand kind of offer. So I do feel like your person are finally coming up to this realization that this time they need to come towards you in a right way, in a proper way. So I do feel like this is why also like they're actually going to take a little bit time longer than the usual time, because they are like basically like building up themselves. They're basically like working up themselves so they can basically match up to your vibration. So basically they can match up to your frequency here. The next card that I've got for you here, Gemini, is the Wheel of Fortune, which is an indication towards me that slowly but surely like the wheel is turning in your favor. So I'm definitely sensing that it's going to take a little bit time for your person to come towards you, and this is basically due to that, because they want to be in a position where they can be as an equal partner for you here, Gemini. The next card that I've got for you here is the Three of Swords and the Two of Pentacles coming up here. So I do feel like this separation had affected them more than you know. I do feel like this no communication period, or basically like at this point of time here, like they finally coming up to this realization that they've made a big, like they basically have made a big mistake, and this separation have hurt them more than you might have realized here. And with these Two of Pentacles, I'm definitely sensing that they're kind of having hard time here to try to balance themselves up emotionally, mentally, as well as financially here, Gemini. So let's look at the advice card that I've got for you here. Advice for Gemini, please. Advice card for Gemini. One advice card for Gemini, please. Wow, I've got the World card and the Knight of Pentacles coming up here. So I'm definitely sensing that your person is definitely single. Like I'm definitely not sensing any other third party situation, or basically I'm just not sensing that anything going on in your personal life at this point of time, except that they're just going to be focusing up everything within themselves here. With this World card, I'm definitely sensing that at this point of time here, your focus is just basically trying to just heal yourself, trying to focus everything up on yourself here. And this Eight of Swords, I'm definitely sensing that your person could be currently like feeling a little bit trapped, or like just feeling a little bit stuck here. But with this World card, I'm definitely sensing that all this basically indecisiveness, all this basically like standing still, feeling stuck, feeling trapped here, is definitely coming up to an end. Yeah, at this point of time here, Gemini, the only thing that I'm sensing here is just that definitely your person is working on building up their career, working on building up their finances. And I do feel like the reason why they're doing that is because that they basically think that this is the only way that they can reach towards you here. I don't think like basically they come to this point of time, or point of realization that this is their last chance to come towards you, that and for them to actually come towards you here, and for you to actually accept them here, like definitely they need to come in a right way here. So the channel message that I've got for you here, Gemini, is insecurities and will you give me another chance. So I'm definitely sensing a lot of insecurities coming up from your person here, and I've got ask and look for sign as well. So for those of you who are currently like losing hope, or like just trying to like not sure what else you need to do here, you can actually pray and ask and look for a sign here. But I'm definitely sensing that your person is coming up towards you, asking you for another chance, and when they come towards you here, they're definitely going to come towards you in the right way. The bottom of the deck here, I'm seeing that I see my future with you. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing that your person is seeing their future with you here, Gemini. And I do feel like due to this reason, they're basically like working up on themselves to actually make sure that they basically can be with you here. All right, so that's it for your June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.